Today we are with Tanja Karila, representing the Infinna Fiber Company, and their textile fibers Infinna have been selected as winner of the category Environmental Impact during the World Bioproduct Day campaign that we conducted together with the World Bioeconomy Forum. So welcome, Tanja. Can you briefly introduce your company and its innovative textile fibers?
Yes, I'm happy to do so. Infinna Fiber is actually a fashion and textile technology powerhouse. And our big mission is that we want to make textile circularity an everyday reality. And how we do it, the solution is our textile fiber Infinna, which gives cellulose-rich waste streams a new life. So it's regenerated from textile waste, but also other cellulose-rich waste streams could be used, such as cardboard or wheat straws, for example.
Mm-hmm. And what is the main goal of the company?
The main goal is actually the mission that I mentioned, to make circularity an everyday reality, meaning that everyone could make a good conscious purchase decision when they are buying textiles. Mm-hmm. So within our philosophy, like nothing new needs to be grown when you make the most of what already is in circulation. So we really want to make Infinna a mainstream solution for the textile industry.
Mm-hmm. And what are the added values of these applications, maybe compared to other similar ones?
Now, if I would say that two things need to be remembered, what is Infinna? It is really that it's made from waste. And the other one is that it is very versatile. It looks and feels like cotton. Mm-hmm. So we can replace cotton in such many applications. So it like based on our customer feedback, it really is a true solution to replace virgin cotton in different type of textiles. So mm-hmm. Those are the main benefits. It's also like biodegradable and there are like many benefits, but these two I would say are important. It's made from waste and it's very versatile.
Okay, and what are the challenges then?
Currently, our challenges is more like based on the demand, which is really high from our customers or from the market. The demand for this fiber is really, really high, and we are currently still operating in pilot mode. Mm-hmm. So we cannot provide as much fiber as we would like to. We have announced a commercial scale factory, which we will build in Finland, but it still takes some years to have that up and running. Mm-hmm. So I guess the difference between the demand and our supply capability is
And how many years is that you are operating in the market? Just out of my curiosity.
In the commercial scale.
Yeah.
2025 we expect to run the factory with full capacity, which is 30,000 tons per year, and it's still a small factory. So mm-hmm. We have other business models to support building at the same time mills through licensing our technology. Mm-hmm. So we really aim to provide more capacity in near future.
Mm-hmm. So as the last question, while we are currently in the European Hero Butte, we would also like to share a positive message to young generations, as we recognize their importance in supporting a better future, also in a post-pandemic perspective. And so we would like to underline their importance also in order to go towards more sustainable careers, entrepreneurship possibilities, and also educational paths. So as the last question, I would like to ask, what is your advice to young generations?
I was thinking about this, and I would turn it a little bit around. I think young generation, really smart, conscious consumers, as such. So I would say that we would need to actually learn from them and listen to them to understand how we can build a greener future together. Because it's doing together, and if we do not know how young generation is thinking, then we cannot succeed. So learning from them, actually, not advising them.
That's a good advice, also this perspective. So many thanks, Tanja, and we hope to hear more from you also. Good luck for the scaling up process.
Thank you so much.